G'day guys, hello and welcome to Jim's Shirtless Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing three things. If you can't tell, I've got this nice yellow Gasmate cooker, 2-burner. I ditched the old blue one, the jets were getting quite clogged up and very frustrating. Second review, I reckon, but most important, the Crocodile Patty. And last but not least, these camouflage thongs. I picked these up in Catherine. I picked this up in Bunnings in Darwin, $59, so value-wise, it's the way to go. But yeah, let's have a go. The only thing I can tell, the hose that it came with was like this long, but I kept my old one, which is 1 meter, which is what I need to reach where I want it to reach. It's got two large burners, where my last one had one large and one small, and I think the small was handy for like just boiling like something small. Tail mince, so it's uncrumbed, just as bare as it comes, which is good. You get that true taste out of it that way. Gonna have it with a bit of pineapple. It's gonna be like a Hawaiian burger type of thing, and yeah, some tomato on there as well. But yeah, let's go, let's get this thing cranking. Fires up straight away, which is good. A little bit of oils. It does run at a low flame, which is good. Doesn't start cutting out like my last one did. Especially with the long hose, you lose a lot of pressure with the longer hose. But yeah, seems to be coping quite well. First things first, probably not a good idea to review thongs and food all at once, because you got to touch this and touch that. It's a bit weary, this spot. You can probably tell like there's mangrove looking trees around. So I guess the tide does get quite high, maybe on a king tide. So yeah, I'll probably have to be careful tonight with our crocodiles. My last cooker was very old, the jets were getting very blocked up, and having that long hose, it was just, you couldn't get a nice flame. It was just like, boh, and then it would slow down and crank up and slow down. It was just a mess. And then sometimes the jets would block up and then they'd let go and just be have a mighty flame like this high. Just not ideal, folks. Tell you what, these crocodile patties are sticky. I eat a lot of kangaroo, and the kangaroo patties don't really stick. They're really wet and moist. All the blood you see. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this cooker. For $59, I don't think you can complain about it. $59 and it's already better than my last one. Watch out for that. And it still slides under my fridge. That was the main thing. If it didn't fit under my fridge, I wasn't going to have it, because where else am I going to put it? Whilst the patties are on, I'm going to touch the dirty thongs, get this over and done with. So yeah, I picked up these thongs in Catherine. I left my last ones on the Pentecost River, so a bit of a dumb move. But I love the look of them. They're only $20, so once again, value was there. But I'm obviously in full holiday mode. So they have been worn, they're getting absolutely pumped. And I think there's only a couple of weeks left in the heel. That to me feels like about 3 or 4 mils already. I don't think they're gonna last too long. So duration wise, probably not there, but they saved me for a couple of weeks. So yeah, they're about 3 weeks old now, they're doing all right. The good thing is they haven't got the normal hole there. I think they're well built into the rubber, so yeah, they haven't blown a plug yet, which is good. I'm going to give my hands a good wash now. But out of 5, I'd probably give them about a 3. Good value, but I don't think they're going to last too long through the heel, that's for sure. 3 out of 5 for the thongs. This smells good, eh? Once again, just like the baked beans, the Vegemite baked beans, I've got the bread thins. So I'm going to cook this crocodile patty with a bit of salt. So I think cooking this and drying the pineapple out a little bit won't hurt the burger too much. So I'm going to throw that on for a little bit. And I've also got the tomato here, which is another moist vegetable or fruit, whatever you want to call it. Bit of sauce. Can't forget the sauce. Sauce, folks, come on. Right, that is looking good. Bit of pepper on the tomato, as always. I am hungry for this, folks. So I'm not 100% on how to cook Croc. I mean, you can't really go, oh, let's make it a little bit pink in the middle because she's white. She's a white meat. So I'm liking this cooker. My last one was probably about 10 or 12 years old, so it was well overdue for a new one. But yeah, this is absolutely kicking ass. The flame is steady. It lights easy. It's obviously brand new, but I'll have to give it another review at the end of the trip, see how well it's going, see if I've still got it. But like I said, Bunnings, $59, you can't complain. The only thing I didn't use from it was the hose, but I've got this nice long one. Parmesan cheese, folks, come on, dirty buggers. So obviously first time use with this Gasmate cooker. I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. Value for money, looks great, fits under the fridge. The jets seem fine. It does run both jets with this long hose. Obviously, like I said before, you lose pressure. So that's a win. The only thing I can criticize on it is the mesh that your pan sits on. It doesn't have any proper location, so it just wobbles around, you know. Hasn't really got a home, so yeah, it just wobbles there. So that's the only thing I can criticize. Other than that, it's a duck's nuts. Value for money, cheap ass, easy. It's going to take you for a little walk, catch the sunset real quick. What a lovely spot. Sunset's going to be awesome. There's this bit of smoke kicking around from some local bushfires, so that'll look great. Here's the cooker. Here's the crocodile, looking good. This is what I mean, how this just moves around, whoop, like that. It's got a little home at the back there, but it doesn't have any other locating holes. I assume it's supposed to sit in these, but yeah, I must have got the Friday model. Anyway, there we go. We've got the bread thins, the tomato, a bit of cheese on there, bit of ketchup. Here's the journey so far. Here's Darwin, that's where I am now, but I'm up here, Gunn Point Beach. Absolutely loving it, guys. Oh, I'm so excited for this burger. So, lucky for you guys, I spent 2 weeks in Darwin, did a lot of work to the carry. For the shirtless reviews, I got to go 2 weeks in the gym, so that was nice. My body was a bit sore, I'm not gonna lie. It wasn't used to it after having like 6 weeks off. But it was so good to get back in there and provide for this very serious cause of Jim's shirtless reviews. But if you have any questions about my Gasmate cooker, fire away. I reckon this burger's ready. I can't tell because it's not pink, it's not bleeding. It's kangaroo, it's crocodile, so get in my belly. There we go, guys. Hawaiian crocodile burger. Here we go. Oh! Wow. Wow, that is bloody good. Whoa. Like I've said, I've had Croc 4 or 5 times and it's always been crumbed, deep fried or schnitzeled or whatever, you know, and this is just bare Croc, Croc tail, so as clean as it gets to get that true taste. And look, just so there's nothing else in there. That is such a nice taste. Wowee. There we have it, folks. Delicious. Got the protein. Ew. I'm keen for another one of these, that's for sure. Anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed Jim's Shirtless reviews. Like I said, 4 out of 5 for the gas mate cooker. I'm going to isolate this meat and I'm going to call it, I'm going to give it a 4.5 out of 5. It's healthy, it's lean, it's at 1 gram equals 1 calorie, so that makes me happy. It tastes amazing, it's easy to cook. Price is pretty much on par with the other meats out there. So yeah, 4.5 out of 5. And for white meat, it's bloody tasty, I can tell you that much. Anyway guys, thanks for tuning in to Jim's Shirtless Reviews. Till next time, thank you very much. Like and subscribe, follow Jim's Oz Lap, and hit that bell button if you want to be informed about the next video. Yoo!